Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we have a lot to go over. We've got some updates, new glitches, plus we have some 3 off 15 deals that y'all can do any day of the week. And one deal is as low as 65 cents out of pocket. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about some deals that y'all can do any day of the week using the 3 off 15 DG store coupon that does expire on May the 31st. Now a few weeks ago I did upload a video going over the 3 off 15 DG store coupon and walking y'all through step by step how to add that coupon onto your account. So if you need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below, so definitely go and check it out. Alright, now next up we're going to talk about a little update from the Good Deals and Glitch List video. And by the way, if y'all haven't checked that out already, I did upload that on Monday and I will leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. So go and check it out if you haven't already. Now in that video I told y'all that I was going to run out to DG and try out a few deals, especially trying the Garnier deal with the 3 off 2 DG store coupon and that 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon because I had a sneaking suspicion that it might work at the register just because the app was having so many issues this week on Sunday. So that's exactly what I did. I ran out and I picked up one of the Garnier Fruit Tea shampoos and one of the conditioners. Both of those coupons stacked perfectly at the register and that left me paying just 1 penny for 2. Now I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to a longtime crazy couponer, Teresa Brand. She left a comment under Sunday's video telling me that she had done this deal, and what she did was actually ring up the shampoo first and the conditioner second. So I kind of followed her lead and I picked up a shampoo and conditioner, rang up the shampoo first, the conditioner second, and it worked out, like I said, perfectly. 1 penny for 2 items. Now I don't think that it's going to matter which ones you pick up. If you want to pick up the Sleek and Shine or the Grow Strong, I think there's a couple of different ones that you can choose from. But picking up either 2 shampoos or a shampoo and a conditioner, I can confirm that you're only going to pay 1 penny for 2 Garnier Fruit Teas products. Alright guys, now let's go over some deals that y'all can do any day of the week using that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, and keep in mind that does expire on May the 31st. So the first couple of deals that we're going to go over do include a lot of the food items. We have a lot of great sales going on this week at DG on food items, and y'all know that those prices are going through the roof. I think that our grocery bill has almost doubled at this point, which is absolutely crazy. So we've got to get these deals while we can and save as much money as possible. So for this first deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. They are on sale 2 for $2. 2 of the Betty Crocker Suddenly salads. They are on sale 2 for $2.25. 2 bags of the Chex Mix. They are on sale 2 for $2. 3 bags of the Lay's or Cheetos chips. They are on sale 3 for $6. 2 of the Garnier Fruit Teas shampoos or conditioners at $6. They are $3 each. And 3 American greeting cards at $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. That's going to put your subtotal at $19.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 3 off 2 Garnier DG store coupon, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fruit Teas, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, and that's going to bring your subtotal all the way down to $9.75 for 14 items, making each one just 69 cents each. Alright, so for our second deal, you want to pick up 3 boxes of the Cheez-It crackers. They're on sale 3 for $5 this week. 1 of the Wonder Bread buns. You can choose from the hot dog buns or the hamburger buns at $2.65. 2 of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce at $2. 1 of the Tasty Cake pecan swirl 6 count at $2.15. 2 of the Pepsi Nitro 16-ounce cans. They're on sale 2 for $3.50, and 3 American greeting cards for $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $16.80. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 50-cent off one Wonder Bread buns, 50 cents off one Tasty Cake product, the 1 off 1 Pepsi Nitro, another 1 off 1 Pepsi Nitro, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, and that's going to bring your subtotal all the way down to $9.80 for 12 items. But this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a 25-cent rebate back for the Wonder Bread buns. And we also have a 25-cent rebate for the Tasty Cake products. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get back 50 cents. That's going to make your final price $9.30 for 12 items, making each one just 77 cents each. All right, now next up, this is our super low out-of-pocket deal. This is an amazing daily deal. I cannot even believe it. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Garnier Fruit Tea shampoos or conditioners at $6. Those are $3 each. 1 of the CoverGirl eyeliner 2-count pencils at $4.50. 1 of the DG Health antibiotic ointments at $2.60. 1 of the Rexall Vitamin D 360 count at $2. 1 of the Airwick warmers at $2. 3 American greeting cards at $1.50. Those are 50 cents each. And 1 of the Centrum vitamins priced at $5. That's going to bring your subtotal to $23.60. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And there are 2 pages of coupons. All right, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 3 off 2 Garnier DG store coupon, the 3 off 2 Garnier Fruit Teas, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl Eye, the 2 off 1 DG Health Ointment, the 1 off 1 Rexall Vitamins, the 1.95 off 1 Airwick Warmer, the 1 off 3 American Greeting Cards, and the 4 off 1 Centrum Vitamins. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to just 65 cents for 10 items, making each one just 6 cents each. So how awesome is that? All right, guys, now let's get into some glitches, and I do want to say these are pickup order only. I have not confirmed these as working at the regular register or self-checkout. Now, if any of you guys have any experiences that you want to share in the comment section with these deals working at regular register or the self-checkout, please leave it in the comment section down below. That is always very helpful for other couponers. And for this first one, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to our good friend Debra Williams-Buss for finding this glitch on Sunday. I do believe she had it posted to her YouTube channel on Sunday. So if you guys are not already subscribed to her, make sure that you go and do that. I will have her link in the pinned comment down below. So for this first deal, you want to pick up 4 of the Dr. Pepper 6-packs. They are normally $4.50 each, but it is glitching with that 3 off 15 as a pickup order. So it's picking up the regular price and it's taking off the sale, which the Dr. Pepper 6-packs are on sale for $10, plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, even though we're not spending $15 after that sale is applied. So that's going to leave you paying $7 for 4, making those $1.75 each. All right, next up we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. These are normally $5.95 each. And again, that same kind of glitch is happening. It's picking up that regular price, then applying the sale and stacking that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So what you want to do is pick up a total of 3 after the sale and the coupon is applied. That's going to leave you paying $7 for 3, making those $2.33 each. Now, this deal can get a little bit better. Right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back for the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 12 packs, and that is only for the Zero Sugar Mountain Dews. So if you want to pick up 3 of those, submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $3 back. That's going to make your final price $4 for all 3, making those $1.33 each. All right, now for this last deal, this is another way that y'all can do the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12-pack deal, and I'm pretty sure that y'all can do this at the register and it will work out fine, or you can do this as a pickup order. But what you want to do is pick up a total of 4 Pepsi or Mountain Dew 12-packs. They are normally $5.95 each, but they're on sale 3 for $10. So why I say that y'all can do this at the register is they're going to be 3 for $10 plus $5.95. That puts you over that $15 subtotal in order to use that 3 off 15 DG store coupon at the register. So that's going to leave you paying $12.95 for 4. Now, this deal gets even better because right now on Inbox Dollars, we have a free printable coupon for $3 off of 4 Pepsi or Mountain Dew products. So you can go over to Inbox Dollars, print off that free printable coupon, use that at the register after you type in your phone number for that 3 off 15 DG store coupon to apply, hand over the printable coupon, and that's going to make your final price out of pocket $9.95 for all 4 items, making each one just $2.48 each. Now, if you guys are not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, this is one app that I highly recommend because they actually pay you to print off your free printable coupons, plus they pay you 20 cents when you use that printable coupon in the store. So you're actually going to get 20 cents back after you use that 3 off 4 Pepsi product coupon in the store. So if you guys are not already signed up and you want to go and check it out, I do have a referral link. I'll leave it down in the pinned comment as well as in the description box. And if you use it, you're going to get a $5 sign-up bonus. Now, if y'all are not comfortable trying this deal out at the register, you can definitely do it as a pickup order as well. So pick up a total of 4 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 12 packs. That's going to put your subtotal at $23.80, but with that sale plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon applying, that's going to leave you paying $12.95 out of pocket. Then you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. There is actually a 3 off 4 manufacturer coupon on there. So you're going to get back a total of $3. That's going to make your final price $9.95 for 4 items, making each one just $2.48 each. So you can either do the deal in store with the physical printable coupon, or you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app after the fact and get that $3 sent to your PayPal account. Now again, don't forget about that rebate that we have on Ibotta for the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 12 packs only. So if you want to pick up a total of 4 of the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 12 packs, you can then submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back a total of $4, which that would make your final price after that coupon is applied. That's going to make your final price $5.95 for all 4, making those $1.48 each. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, don't forget that I did upload the Good Deals and Glitch List video on Monday, and if you guys missed that video, definitely go and check it out. I will have it linked in the pinned comment down below because we have a ton of awesome deals going on at Dollar General this week. We have sales, we have really awesome coupon matchups, and we have rebates. So definitely go and check out that video so that you have all of your bases covered this week for DG. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and make sure that you stay tuned because I will have another video coming out today going over the 3-day sale at DG, which begins tomorrow and runs through Saturday. Plus on Friday we'll have our 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at DG. So make sure that y'all are subscribed, notifications are set to all, hit that thumbs up button for me on your way out, and leave me a comment down below and let me know how y'all are doing today, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.